which has erupted once again in violent clashes that have now been reported from Maheshtala area of South 24 Parganas. Tensions that have now fled over the area when it comes to setting up of shops near a local temple. That turned into an epicenter of violence. Where some of the locals, however, objected to the shops being set up right outside the temple, claiming that the land was being encroached upon. Angered by this, members of the other community allegedly went on a rampage, and in the clashes that erupted, what is being said that the temple was also vandalized. Stones were pelted, vehicles were torched, police wasn't even spared, even when it comes to the police commissioner who had rushed to the violence hit area, and now prohibitory orders have been imposed.
Maheshtala at the moment has turned into a battleground where cars are being vandalized, bikes have been set to fire, and reportedly this incident has started after a conflict between two communities here. Multiple vehicles were smashed and houses were also attacked. At the moment, the visuals that we see that heavy deployment of police RAF has come into the streets of Maheshtala, where the communities have sparked tensions. Right in front of the Rabindranagar police station, a police vehicle was also attacked. As reports suggest, several police personnel have reportedly also been injured. Senior officials from both Kolkata police and the state police at the moment has reached up to the area. These are the stones. These big stones were pelted from the rooftops of these houses. There were police cars which was broken. I will show you the glass that is scattered on the roads of Maheshtala here, where police cars were broken and tampered. Also, several bikes were a bike was set into fire. Several other cars were also broken and trampled, as the roads of Maheshtala at the moment reflect. At this moment, we see that senior officials from the ADT South Bengal DIG Presidency Range has also rushed to the spot to bring situations under control. The crowd, however, continued pelting stones, forcing the police to resort to lathi charge and tear gas shelling. Despite the intervention, the tension in the area is still high.
Now, as far as when it comes to the situation currently, which has been contained for now, what is being said that prohibitory orders have now been put in place, FIRs that have been registered and multiple arrests that have also taken place. Let's get in a word from Ridhita, who's joining us live right now. How many FIRs and how many arrests we are looking at, Ridhita, till now, the police action that has now been initiated?
Correct. So as we stand in front of the Shiv Mandir, which is just adjacent to the Rabindranagar police station. So here in the Rabindranagar police station, it has been 3 FIRs with 28 arrests that has been made. Whereas on the other hand, as we see in the Nadiyal police station, which is just opposite to the area that we had seen yesterday, where the booths were broken and police cars were vandalized, there 4 FIRs and 12 people have been arrested as of now. That the details that we get from the ground zero here at Maheshtala. Back to you.
All right, but as far as the ground situation is concerned, we are learning that prohibitory orders that have also been put in place. Is there certainly, as far as the situation for now looking like, as far as uneasy calm, Ridhita, that prevails in the area?
Exactly, fear is still sustaining in the area. As we speak to the locals, they are still feared because as per them, if police would have taken action in the correct time, then things would not have escalated that way that it has. But as of now, prohibitory orders like 144 has been put onto action here, and also a crowd management action has taken in place of not more than 5 people will be allowed to make a gathering at a spot, and if so is done, then 163 section will be imposed. That is what we are learning. Also, within the range of 500 to 600 meters, there is a Naka checking done by the police. Both the police from the Kolkata police and West Bengal police along with the RAF is deployed here at Maheshtala so that no trespassers can enter into the area, which is not sounding very safe at this moment. Back to you.
Prohibitory orders that have been put in place as far as the assembly of 4 or 5 or more people, which is not being allowed, as even this is coming at a time when the police was also not spared when the violence broke out. However, let's talk about the politics that has now also erupted over the violence, where the BJP is now gunning for the Mamata Sarkar, claiming that it is the policy, appeasement policy of the TMC, which is responsible for such violent clashes. The opposition BJP alleges that members of a particular community are being targeted under the very nose of the Bengal administration. And as far as the perpetrators are concerned, no legal action is taken against them. This is the co-in-charge of Bengal BJP, Amit Malviya, taking to social media platform X to say that the state to such scenes and open appeasement were thus only witnessed in countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. However, Mr. Malviya has called the events in Mahishtala total surrender of the state administration to mob rule. TMC, on the other hand, has accused the BJP of running a provocative campaign and spreading misinformation.
Several police personnel injured, multiple number of cars vandalized. They should deploy paramilitary forces to save the police forces and Hindu. The common police forces and the Hindu people not safe in Bengal under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee.
ये प्रोवोकेटिव कैंपेन, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन और इसके पहले हम लोग ये भी देखा है, कुछ लोग हैं वो बहुत गंदी तरीके से कॉन्स्पिरेसी करके खुद वो लोग ये बुरा काम करते हैं, फिर उसके कम्युनल पोलराइजेशन करने का कैंपेन करते हैं. हम ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट सपोर्ट नहीं करते, हम इसको विरोध करते हैं.
Ally Congress has also now jumped in to defend the TMC, saying that it was the BJP which actually engages in appeasement politics because other parties cannot win by appeasing one community.
As far as this particular incident is concerned, definitely Bengal government should take care of it. But BJP is in habit to make allegations of appeasement. It is only BJP which has crossed the limit to appease its own voters. As far as Mamata and other political parties are concerned, they cannot win without Hindu voters. It is not possible for them to appease a particular community. It is the nature and thought of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, as far as a breaking update that is now coming across, we are getting the news of how the opposition has now been reacting and taking up this matter as the BJP